we are builders who are building big houses. The clientele who bought these houses, they pay top money for this kind of houses. I think that we need the money because we have the best school system. We need to pay these people. We need to pay the people in the building department. These people who own those small ranches, they wouldn't pay 60,000 tax. Will they pay this tax? Never. And I will give you an example. I built in 2004 house on N Lane. There was such an opposition of the all neighbors. They didn't want to build a big house. One lady on the right side, she was complaining, I don't have enough air. I don't have enough air. What is it? She doesn't have enough air. We were fighting for 1 year with ARB